Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this video, we will be learning about the difference between epic, future and the user story, right? Let's jump into the video. In agile development, work is broken down into epic, futures and user stories to make a project manageable, right? So we will be breaking down the total project into three subparts: epic, future, as well as user stories. Let's see what is epic, what is future feature, and what is user story. Epic is nothing but a large business goal, high level goal, right? Future is nothing but a part of epic. For suppose, if you say I want to build a mobile app, if your client or the C-suite executive give you the task of build an app, build an application for a food delivery management. That is a epic. What will be the futures? Future will be one future will be what you can onboarding process. Next feature could be searching process. Next feature could be payment process. Next future could be confirmation process. So those are the futures. You will be breaking down the high level epic into different multiple futures. And in futures are again broken down into user stories. User stories are nothing but for my onboarding. What user stories I need to follow? Like a login will be one user story, registration will be one user story, OTP entering will be one user story, and all these. So Epic Epic is a high level view, high level of business goal. Epic is broken down into Epic is broken down into features, right? Features, epic is broken down into multiple features. For example, for one epic, there will be 4 to 5 features, and for 4 to 5 features, there will be 20 to 30 user stories. Like for one feature, there will be again 4 to 5 user stories. So that is the overview of this. Let's discuss about this in detail, right? First, epic, high level business goal. What is an epic? A large user requirement or an business initiative, as simple as that, needs to be broken down into smaller features and user stories. As I said to you, it will be broken down into features as well as user stories. Usually spans multiple sprints and releases. To build one epic, right? One epic consists of multiple features as well as multiple user stories. So in order to complete the total epic, it takes multiple sprints, right? Basically, it will be taking 4 to 5 sprints to complete one epic. What are epic? Where are epics used? Epics are used for strategic planning for a product or a system, and roadmap planning. Roadmap planning is nothing but how much time or how much timeline you will be taking to complete one particular system. And strategic planning. Strategic planning is nothing but like thinking in the future, right? Thinking futuristically. Who is responsible? Product owner is responsible for defining and prioritizing the epics. Like there will be many epics, so product owner, not manager, product owner will be the responsible one who will be prioritizing and defining the epics from the numerous epics. Next is stakeholders, like provide input on business goals. Like stakeholders in the sense customers may be one stakeholder. In this case, client will be the stakeholder. Why? Because he's giving the business initiative, right? He's giving the high level view, high level objective. Examples of epics: improve the online shopping experience, right? He said the epic. He said what? Improve it. He didn't said the how, like futures and user stories. He didn't mention anything about user stories, or as well as he didn't mention anything about futures. He only said I want to improve shopping experience, online shopping experience of my app, of my software. So that is the what he said. Epic, high level objective. Example futures, so for this epic, the futures will be add a personalized recommendation engine. It will be improving the customer experience. It will be improving the user experience, right? By adding the personalized recommendation engine. So this is the how part. Futures is the how part. Epic is the what part. Enhance the checkout process. Even it will be increasing the customer experience and user experience. So multiple what you can say multiple features can be done for one epic. Can be done, not multiple features will be done for one particular epic. Next, what is feature? Feature. A self-contained functional area of an epic. Nothing but it is the how part. Future is nothing but how part. Can be delivered independently but contributes to the epic, right? Can be delivered. There will be, we can be building multiple futures, but those all multiple futures will be contributing to one epic, right? Yeah. Usually completed within a few sprints. For example, epics can be taking like 8 to 9 sprints to complete one epic, but future can be done in like 3 to 4 sprints. Where are the futures used? In product backlog to manage functional enhancements. It's simple, right? And technical and design teams breaks down features into user stories. As simple as that. So product owner will be identifying the features, and technical and design team will be breaking down into user stories. Who is responsible? Product owner and business analyst will be responsible for taking the defining the features. Sorry guys, here also in the epic also, product owner as well as business analyst are also responsible for defining and prioritizing the efforts, right? Next, yeah, in future, product owner as well as business analyst defines the futures, as well as they will be prioritizing the futures based upon the importance, urgency. We have learned about prioritization, right? So they will be using that framework, and they will be prioritizing the futures. Next developers and designers. They will be implementing them as intuitive. Okay, you can read the lines. Examples of features. Epic. Improve the online shopping experience. Features can be enhance the checkout process, right? Here you can see the examples of features. Add a personalized recommendation engine and checkout process, right? This will be contributing to the epic. They will be enhancing the online shopping experience. They will be enhancing the user experience as well as customer experience. This is about future. We have learned about epic, future, right? Next are user stories. See, Epic is high level, feature is mid level, and user story is small level. That is nothing but smallest work unit. What is user story? A specific requirement returned from the end user's perspective. Like it is written from the end user's perspective. It is written from one business analyst or one product manager will be writing from the customers or client's perspective. Follow the format. As I said, you the format as a I want so that typically completed within a single sprint, right? Epic takes 9 to 10 sprints to complete. Feature takes 3 to 4 sprints to complete. But user story can be completed in one sprint, max to max 2 sprints. Where are user stories used? Sprint planning mein user stories are used in sprint planning, so that like we can discuss, right? In the sprint planning, I know to build these user stories, that user stories karke. So these are used in sprint planning and task management for developers and testers. They will be working on the user stories, right? So who is responsible? Product owner. Obviously, product owner as well as business analyst. In this case, product owner is nothing but business analyst will be writing user stories, so that it will be guiding the designers, developers, and testing team. Developers will be implementing them. Testing or QA testers will be validating them, verifying and validating them. Example of user story, right? A feature is enhance the checkout process, and user story is in the format as a dash. So I want a dash so that as a user, I want to save my payment details for future purchases, right? So that is the user story. For one future, there will be multiple user stories. For one epic, there will be multiple futures. For one future, there will be multiple user stories, tasks. Develop UI for saying for saving payment details. Okay, these are the tasks. That is nothing but user stories, right? Implement a backend logic for storing payment info, writing test cases for payment security. So this is the difference between see, these are the definitions of epic future as well as user story, and this is the difference between all three. I have taken this table from ChatGPT and took the screenshot, guys. I'm using enhancing AI, right? As I said you before, AI will enhance leverage your life but it will not, what you can say, it will not replace your job. It will enhance your job. So let's come to the size property. Like these are the attributes, right? These are the what we can say properties, not properties. We can say attributes, and not attributes too. We can say I forgot the name. See, this is the problem with my vocabulary. I'll be easily forgetting the words. So, first property is size, first aspect. So, Epic is large in size, right? It will be taking like maybe months, like it will be taking 3 to 4 months to complete one Epic. It will be taking weeks to complete a feature. Like one feature can be completed in 2 to 3 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks, vice versa. And user story can be completed in one sprint or max to max 2 sprints. Next, time frame, multiple sprints, right? Epic takes multiple sprints. As I said, it will be taking 9 to 10 sprints or 10 to 12 sprints, or it may take 20 sprints to complete one Epic. Future will be taking few sprints when compared to Epic. Even Future will be taking multiple sprints, but when compared to Epic, it will be taking few sprints. Like it may take 3 to 4 sprints, 2 to 3 sprints, or 4 to 5 sprints. Paisa. User story can be completed in 1 to 2 sprints max. Scope. So broad business goal. It will be saying the high level business goal, right? It will be covering everything. Broad business goal. Next, feature will be saying about specific function, right? And user story will be saying a small requirement from the user's perspective, from the client's perspective, who defines the epic. Product owner and stakeholder will be defining the epic, right? There will be multiple epics, but product owner, business analyst, as well as stakeholders needs to define, will be defining on what epic we should work on. Karke. Next is future will be defined by product owner and business analyst as intuitive and as simple as that. User story will be defined again by product owner and developer. So product owner and business analyst are the common or similar, are the common between all these things, epic, future, and user story. Example, as we know, we will be taking some examples. Improving shopping experience is the example. Enhance the checkout process is the future. And save payment details for the future is nothing but the user story. What are the popular tools for creating epic future as well as user story, right? Jira. We will be creating epic user story, strategic planning, roadmap planning, user story, future epic in some tools called Jira. We can use basically I will be using Jira, guys. In my first company, I used Jira so much. So basically, you can use any type of project management tool, but I feel flexible and I feel easy with Jira. So I'll be using Jira best for a large teams which are using Scrum Kanban. Okay. Azure DevOps is nothing but it is also one of the tool ADO teams using Microsoft ecosystem. Those companies which are using Microsoft ecosystem, they can go for Azure. Next there is Trello also based for simple agile teams and startups. Next is ClickUp, not ClickUp. ClickUp best for all-in-one agile project management, and Monday.com. Non-technical teams managing agile projects. I didn't mention the used for, but it is for non-technical teams. So yeah, in future, I'll show you a practical implementation in Jira also. How we will be building epics, how we will be building futures, how we will be building user stories. Karke. But as of now, we will be completing complete business analysis syllabus. After then, I will be showing you the Jira demo, Jira example. So I will be showing you practically on the Jira. So thank you guys.